Hey, thank you so much for tuning in. I've been meaning to make a how to hand letter video for a very long time. So here it is. This is part 1 of it, in which I will share some techniques that helped me get better. Part 2, I will show you how to brush pen, how to brush letter, how to fake calligraphy using a ballpoint pen, and even to do lettering with even a pencil. So make sure you hit that subscribe button to this channel and stay tuned for that. Before we jump right into the video, I would like to make a big disclaimer. Hand lettering or calligraphy is a very slow process which requires a lot of patience and practice. But once you get in the hang of it, it is a meditative process. Make sure you take your time and enjoy doing it. With that being said, let's dive in. First thing you need to practice while learning lettering are the basic strokes. Mainly there are two of them, the upstrokes and the downstrokes. The upstrokes are the lines you start from the bottom and go all the way up. These should be thin lines by giving less pressure. The downstrokes are the ones you begin from the top and go all the way down. These lines are supposed to be thick by applying heavy pressure. Always keep in mind, upstrokes are thin and downstrokes are thick. A simple and efficient method to master at basic strokes is to practice a combination of upstrokes and downstrokes like a wave. This is something that helped me get better with the flow. Once you are comfortable with upstrokes and downstrokes, you can move on to doing alphabets. For the letter A, we start off with a thin upstroke, pen, and go down applying heavy pressure, creating a thick line. Keep the strokes in mind and practice alphabets. combine alphabets into simple words. Next thing is to control the pressure you apply on your pen while making the lines. You should give less pressure for upstrokes, making thin lines, and heavy pressure for downstrokes, making thick lines. All you got to do to get this right is to practice more. Also keep in mind to lift your pen every time you finish a stroke or after a letter. While lettering, if you're using a brush pen, you must point the tip of it towards your left. Pointing the tip perpendicular to the paper will not give you thin upstrokes or thick downstrokes. Lettering is not done in the way you write in a book. The last and final thing you need to do is practice. Practice, 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 and more practice. It will get better every time you keep practicing it. For part 1 of how to hand letter. If you would like to buy any of the brush pens I use, I will share a link of similar ones in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. If you think I missed out something, feel free to share them in the comments. I will see you there. Thank you so much for sticking around. Until next time, bye.